guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yosha. Today we're making Vega burgers. So you need quinoa, sweet potato, oats, and black beans. The first step is to cut the sweet potato in thick slices, and then we put them in the oven. So you need 700 grams of sweet potato, and they're going in the oven now. After they came out of the oven and let them cool down, I'm gonna take off the skin. You need 40 grams of quinoa. And now we're gonna cook it. So we need 130 grams of oats. So we're gonna rinse the black beans. 400 grams. Okay, so now we're just gonna mash and mix it all together. Okay, so you need a little bit of this. So this is how it will look when it's finished. And add some flavor to it, spicy or not spicy. Use any spices you like. All mixed up and shaped into a burger. And now all what we have to do is fry them. So they are fried and they're ready to go on the sandwich. So let's add some toppings. It smells delicious. It's looking good. I'm gonna enjoy this. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.